Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy and today I'm going to be cleaning my entire downstairs for you guys, and I'm hoping that this video will give you some major cleaning motivation and either you'll clean with me or you will get something done when you're finished watching. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I would love for you guys to subscribe and stick around and give this video a thumbs up if you like cleaning videos. So today I'm going to switch it up a little bit and I'm going to start in my master bedroom and bathroom, and I'm going to dust and clean up the bathroom, and then I will mop or vacuum and then mop. And really quick, I just wanted to say that a lot of times my subscribers leave me comments and they say how grateful they are or thank me for posting videos to get them motivated, and I just wanted to say thank you to you guys because you are the ones watching my videos, you're supporting me, and I really love y'all for that. And I just want to say thank you to y'all for commenting and for just subscribing to my channel and supporting me through this adventure that I am on, and I just could not do this without y'all. Since starting my YouTube channel, I have already made tons of new friends that are subscribers or YouTubers or Instagrammers and all different types of people, new moms, pregnant women, people that just like my style and maybe don't even have kids, and I am just grateful to all of you guys, and I just can't say thank you enough. Alright, so this little tool that I'm using here is the Hurricane Fur Wizard. It's one of those as seen on TV items, and I get asked about it all the time, so I do leave this item in the description box below, and it just gets the pet hair off of my comforter or any type of furniture. Also, in case you're wondering what I'm listening to, I am using Audible, and this is not sponsored or anything. I have had Audible for years now, and I've listened to tons of different books on Audible, and since I got my new camera and I'm not filming with my phone anymore, I am actually able to listen to books while I clean, and y'all are gonna think I'm crazy, but I have always, like when I run, I will listen to books, and people just think I'm so weird for that. I know some people do that, but anyways, I love listening to books instead of just reading them. Now sometimes I'll get the book and actually listen to it, and then when I have a chance to sit down and read, I'll catch up where I left off. But I just love this app. It's so great for me as a busy mom, and I get lots of books read this way. Alright, so we folded and put up laundry last night, and I threw all the hang-ups. I didn't have time to hang them up before putting the kids to bed, and then after that I was just being lazy, so I just threw all the hang-ups on top of the dresser. So now I'm going to clean off the dresser, and then I will hang all of those up in the closet. To dust today, I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray in the peony scent, and it's one of their spring scents, but I think that they are actually running low on these. I'm not sure if you can still get it, but if you can, then I highly recommend it.
If I could, I would give you the moon. Say stop if I'm coming in too soon. Colliding like celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Celestial bodies. Celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Celestial bodies. Celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Inside your heart lies a pearl. Within the smoke our dreams reveal.
on the mirrors, I'm going to be using the Method Daily Glass Cleaner, and then on the countertops, I'll use Method Daily Granite, and then inside of my sink, I'm using the Method Anti-Bac.
We found love here, together we will shine, but we know we're running out of time, 'cause we met like strangers in the night. Don't tell me it's over now. You got that something in the way you smile. I see that spark lights in your dark blue eyes, so I can't let you go without telling you this now. I wanna see you again. I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? Oh, we
And then on my toilets, I'm using Clorox wipes and the Method Toilet Bowl Cleaner on the inside, and I love this stuff. It smells really good.
wanna share my hopes and dreams with you, but will I ever see you again? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there?
Alright guys, I'm looking for some recommendations. I'm kind of tired of, we have like 4 or 5 of these little rugs that go on the floor, but they slide around everywhere, so I constantly take them in and out. So I'm looking for a rug that is a runner. I have been searching since we moved into our house last July. If you have a place that you would recommend, or if you have seen any awesome rugs that are runners that would be great for my bathroom, leave me a link down below, or any suggestions. I would greatly appreciate it.
But we know we're running out of time, 'cause we met like strangers in the night. Don't tell me it's over now. I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there?
now we're moving on to my kitchen area, and actually I cleaned really good in here last night and wiped down everything, all of the surfaces and all. And this morning my kids had muffins and they actually ate them in the car on the way to school because we were running late. So I didn't even have to clean up the kitchen or the dining area. I literally had to just put the stuff in the dishwasher. And then I did just wipe down the counters with water right here. I didn't have to do anything else because there was really no mess. Alright, and then now I have moved on to the living room, and I'm just picking up the kids' toys and throwing them in the basket, and I'll take those upstairs later. And then I'm going to dust the coffee table and vacuum the couch and vacuum the living room and mop.
My hands on your body, surroundings getting foggy tonight.
Alright, does anybody else's kids always pull out the Christmas blankets? I feel like mine are constantly pulling them out of the closet, and they obviously are not matching my decor right now, so I have to keep putting them up.
It's obvious, it's all clear now.
Alright, so now I'm just kind of switching the attachment so that it's shorter on my Dyson so that I can vacuum the couch. And I know I mentioned this in my last video. I kept it like the full vacuum and did it Tiffany Beeston style on my last video, but I decided to make it a little bit shorter this time and see how that worked, and I do like it. So I will definitely keep using this vacuum to vacuum my couch and pillows and anything else that has dog hair all over it. So thank you again to Tiffany Beeston from Beauty and the Beastons for just throwing your Dyson up on your couch and teaching me this little trick. Okay, so my camera died while I was vacuuming, so I had to stop and take a little lunch break, which is why you see I have a blanket on the couch. I was freezing while I was eating lunch, so I will pick that stuff back up in a minute, but I wanted to finish vacuuming while my camera the battery's back full, and finish up the rest of my cleaning.
Nobody's watching.
So mopping was the last thing that I had to do today, so I'm super excited to have a nice clean house and that I'm done cleaning. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you guys some motivation, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And then also, if you hit that notification bell that's right beside the subscribe button, you'll get notified anytime I post a new video, and I have lots of new videos coming up. My husband and I are doing the Q&A coming up. We've had a lot of requests for a Q&A, and so on my Instagram page I did a poll to see which one you would like to see, whether you wanted just me or whether you wanted it to be me and my husband. So I am posting that one sometime this week, and then also I have some more cook with me videos and vlogs and things like that. So make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss anything from my channel. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!
Alright, Bubba. Is it all clean? Is it all clean? Huh? Yeah. Hey, buddy. Say hey, guys. Alright, everything's nice and clean. Yay!